meet Brad, Naylor and Air Compressor, and we're going to be shooting battens on all day.
Air guns.
Yeah, I got the air guns on, kid. But no, I'm really happy to be here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
We've got the drop store set up.
Zebus is engaged.
There you go.
We got you. Here you are.
You're just under.
Under our wings.
Under the wing.
We're looking after
Come
you.
with us. Come with us on this.
Alright, anyway, we better get cracking on with these battens. Alright, what's up guys? We're making some great progress with our horizontal timber screen. As you can see, it's going fantastically. So we're using these lovely 10mm tile spacers to get our orientation perfect. So it's all perfectly level. Absolutely bang on, isn't it?
It is, it's perfect. We're really happy with it.
Yes, we've spoken to our clients, are over the moon with it. So we've already started discussing planting now that we've got some screenage in. It's going well.
Yeah, some big screenage.
And I think the sun's come out as well. Time lapse. Alright, what's up guys? So we completed our beautiful horizontal timber screen. Put a nice little top cap on there, so you've got a nice little overhang, bit of detail for you. We've got our two end frames as well. So obviously, as you can see, access is quite restricted on both ends. So we did get it pretty much near perfect, but there were a few variations. So then you just put your side framing on to match your top framing, hide all those joins up. Frames are absolutely beautiful, and if you've noticed, this cantilever is the exact thickness of our side battens as well, so we use one of them as a guide right the way along. Beautiful. So now we're just installing our second tier of planters, so that will hide any of this mess underneath. So we have planned for this, don't worry. We're just discussing how we're going to stagger our joins. Why do you want to stagger our joins, Jack Dini?
Structural reasons.
Bang on.
And visual reasons.
Bang on.
If you have point load there and point load there, that's 2 weak points, but if you've got point load there and there, it's staggered. It's like a, think of a Z. Secure, very structurally safe.
Alright, so what we're doing here, people, as you've seen on the other screen, we want Alright, what's up guys? We've had a big Saturday shift today. So Jack's just sanding off all the hard edges, getting these nice and smooth and beautiful for us. He's doing a fantastic job. Just while he's doing that, I've already packed up, but I'm just lining the interiors of these planters with this bitumen paint. So that will waterproof all the interiors, you're not going to have any rotting over time. Just help future-proof everything. But thanks for coming along on this Saturday hustle, it's been fantastic. And as always, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, let us know what you're thinking.